just came out from the court because there was a matter I have filed, and I have just went to the court for submission the file. And when I came back to my chamber, I see the partial into my chamber, and then I open it. I got the file. I don't want to share with you the details because it's a kind of private thing. This is why I don't want to share with you these kinds of personal things of my client. There is a matter at Faridabad court in which I have to file an application for stay and cancellation of section 82 proceeding against my client because he didn't appear till now at the stage of 82. Because of he didn't know there is a matter even running in the Faridabad court, because even BW, NBW and someone's service has not been there according to my client. But as per court file, all the service has been done at the same address. So I have to file the application to defend my client. And application has been ready because after drafting the application, I have sent this file to my client. He lives in West Bengal, and he sent me this file by courier, and I have received. And definitely I guess I will definitely going to file this application, because in Faridabad, if you want to file any application, the application will be filed at the same day. Yes, at the same day. So I guess I will go to file this application at Faridabad court tomorrow. And it is also a kind of common sense, like I will go to the Faridabad court tomorrow to file this application, and then I will argue on this application as well, why I am going to consider as my client as an innocent person. I will definitely going to argue in this matter, because this matter is listed on 30th of April. So before 30th of April, I have to appear in this matter. And there is one hardship in this matter, is that is my client is even not coming on the next date. This is also a kind of hurdle for me to defend my clients, but I will do my best. Okay, so this is all about till now, and it's 4:15 right now, and I am just about to leave to the gym, and I'll complete the gym, then I will go to my home. So bye, see you I guess at the gym, or I guess at my room. I am not even sure, because I am making this kinds of blog to complete my task of the day, and I am not sure I will make video at the gym or not, because there would be so many people in the gym. This is why I am not sure, because I am not comfortable making video in public place. So it is all about till now. My day was a kind of tough day, because I was totally busy. And yes, bye, catch you later. Hello, welcome back with this new blog. This is my 157th video of English speaking practice. Through my videos, you will get to know how you can be fluent, because if you are just worrying about your fluency, there is no need to worry about, because I am here to tell you the exact things. Because through my videos, you will get to learn. You don't need much vocabulary to start with. You only need 3000 selective vocabulary to start with. Okay, so I am here to teach you all of this vocabulary through my videos. If you are not the part of this channel, just hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notification of each video of mine. When I upload my video, you will get to know. So I just got up, and I am just going to getting fresh. I'll catch you later. So guys, I am ready being a lawyer, because I am a lawyer. I practice at the Sakit Court, Delhi. So I am all ready. So now I am just leaving to the Sakit Court. If I talk about the time is 9:30. Sakit Court is not far from my place where I live. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. So I'll catch you at the Saket Court. Bye. So, hello guys. I don't care about my background, just forget it and don't focus on my background because I always, speak in English and I always focus on speaking. Don't focus about my background or anything else. Just focus on your goal. Don't think about anything. And I don't have, much about to share with you right now, but I have one thing that is what I will do tomorrow because I make plan daily for tomorrow. Because if you are just thinking about, okay, let it be for tomorrow, you are not on your process. You are not getting towards your goal as early as you can. If you just schedule your day, schedule your tomorrow today, you will be better than those people who are not, schedule the tomorrow of theirs. This is why I schedule my tomorrow, and now I am going to share with you how could we go to. I don't know what to say, but I just wanted to say I don't know what to say now, and I am just thinking how to express my idea because I just wanted to express what I will do tomorrow. I will do tomorrow. You know what I will exactly do tomorrow? I will go to the Faridabad court. I guess. I guess it might possible. I will go to the Faridabad court tomorrow, so that I can cancel the 82 proceeding against my client. And client has already sent me the signed documents of himself. This is why I got the parcel when I was at the chamber at the daytime, and now I am making this video at night so that I can complete the task of the day. And this is how I am getting fluency. If you are just worrying about your fluency, there is no one who is going to tell you. And I don't even have any kind of pill or something, and I don't take any shortcut. And I am doing practice like this, and this is why I am getting fluency day by day. I am way better than those days when I have started this channel of English speaking practice, because this channel has been created only for the English speaking purpose, because I wanted to trace my journey, and this is the journey of mine. This is not over yet. You know what, why? Because I only focus on speaking. I don't focus on getting result or something. I don't focus on results. I only focus on, am I really doing my work with my honesty or not. If I am honest on my journey, there is no one who can stop me to get better day by day. I'm getting better day by day, with the time, over the time. I am getting better in English, because if you see my first video and now this video, you will get to know how much fluency I had and now how much fluency I have. Even I make mistakes sometimes, but not always. But if I talk about my earlier videos when I have started this challenge of English speaking practice, I can say I was making so much mistakes, and but still I didn't quit. I was on my journey because I still allow myself to make mistakes. I don't care about mistakes. I only care about, if I am making mistakes, then how can I cure these mistakes so that I can not repeat in my next video. Somehow I repeat because it's a kind of repetition, because if you are not going to repeat what you are saying, it is not going to help you. Because if you want to cure your mistakes, you have to repeat again and again and again, so that it could be fit in your mind, so that your mind will respond quickly. Yes, it is the mistake, you should not repeat it now. Okay, this is the only reason to train your mind first, and after training your mind, just train your mouth muscle. If you are not working on your mouth muscle, if you are not training your mouth, you are not going in a right way. This is why you are not getting fluency even, because most people think like, okay, why I am not getting fluency even I am practicing daily. This is the only reason, because there are so many kinds of people, or not a kinds of people, because I am saying it because there are lots of students who are just trying to speak in English, but still they are struggling to speak in English when it's time to speak or communicate with real people. But if I talk about my today, I already, I think shared with you, but still I am just going to share with you because I don't have any topic to speak on. I speak so much fast because this is my real tone. If I speak slowly, you will think like, okay, he's you know because I don't even make rhythm. This is why this is the my real tone. Even I don't know, even I sometimes I stuck in when I speak. But this is my real tone of speaking. When I try to speak slowly, I could be way better than I speak fast, because if I speak slowly, my mind have time to think and say to the and give the words to the tongue. My mind has time if I speak slowly. But when I speak fast, I get stuck sometimes. I my mind fumble sometimes. My mind get pauses, so many pauses, because of mind wants time to think, because this is not my first language, this is my second language. This is why I am training my mind to just think, because if I am just training my mind to think in English, it can be helpful when it's time to communicate with real people. Because nowadays, I am practicing with my senior and with my colleagues in English speaking. When I am in my chamber, I used to, or I use only English when I am in my chamber, usually, not always, but usually. And when I am at home and when I think like, okay, it's time to sleep, then I think like, okay, I have to, complete the task of the day, because without making practice video, I can't sleep, because this is my challenge. I have taken the challenge of English speaking practice daily without breaking this consistency, because I have invested more than 5 months in this journey. And I can say I have the experience of more than 5 months. So you can see, if you are, if some people are saying to you, and some people say to you like, within a month or within 2 months and within days you can be fluent. It can't be possible. It is not possible, because you can see you can see me as an example, because I have uploaded all of these videos from day first to day, this is, I guess, the day 157th. I don't even remember the exact day, but yes, this is the 157th day of my English speaking. So you can see I have practiced more than 5 months straightly, continuously, daily, without even skip any day. Okay, so this is how I learned English. I have gained fluency, not that much fluency, so that you can understand me like I am a native or something. You can, because I am from the Hindi background, so this is the kind of tone you can, understand me like, he's from Hindi medium, because my accent is like, yes, I am a learner, I am a beginner. I am beginner, but I am not even, saying to you I'm a advanced or something. I am a beginner, but I say to myself, because I am honest with myself. I daily practice for my English communication. I want to build the mindset of English, like a when native speaker speak in English, they don't even think about they are speaking as per grammatical rules or something. They don't even think about the grammar. And when we speak in Hindi, because my mother tongue is Hindi, so when I speak in Hindi, I don't even think about the grammatical rules. Am I, speaking in Hindi in grammatical rules? No, I don't even think about grammar. So why would we think about the grammar? I should only focus on speaking, listening, reading, writing. This is how you can, learn English much faster as the, kids learn speaking. No matter what language they are learning, but yes, learn like a kid. This is how you can learn much faster. So this is all about today, and tomorrow I will get you at the Faridabad court, I guess. And first of all, I will go to the Sakit court because at the Sakit court, the file is in my chamber. So I have to go to the Sakit court first. Then I will going to ask to my senior to go with me to the Faridabad court. If he say yes, then we will go to the Faridabad court. If he say no, then I will go to the Faridabad court all alone. I will be the counsel. I am the counsel. And if I senior, go with me, we will be the counsel to argue in this matter. So this is all about now, and I am just going to read few pages of the book, and then I will going to. I'm feeling thirsty, so I'm going to have some water. After having water, I will go to read few pages of my book, and then I will go to sleep. There is one task I am not, working on this. That is video editing, because I have sought the podcast with my senior, but still it is pending for editing. And senior asked me on the daily basis like, have you edit or not? And I you know used to say to him always like, yes, I am working on it, but I am not even working on editing. And yes, I'm just thinking, after reading few pages of my book, let's edit that video so that I can upload on my main channel, because last 5 to 6 days I didn't upload anything on my main channel, and my main channel is getting you know less views these days. This is why my revenue is getting lesser. So I have to upload that video somehow tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I guess. So bye. Catch you at the Sakit court, or I don't think Faridabad court. Bye.